If you have difficulties with accepting various things, situations, events, other people's behavior, then this video is for you. Hi everyone, my name is Kate and you are on my YouTube channel Tend the Heart, on which I'm sharing with you my experiences in depression treatment. Today I want to tell you about radical acceptance. Is it helpful at all? And I will also share with you a 3-step plan to radical acceptance that helped me a lot. So let's get started. When I heard the term radical acceptance, I wondered whether it would be possible for me to accept things if I was used to react in an emotional way in most situations. And I believe that there are lots of people who are asking themselves this question. And yes, you can learn to react in a wise way, I would say, using your wise mind. Or how you say it in English. It's my foreign language, so I have sometimes difficulties with finding an appropriate word, but I hope you understand what I mean. Wise mind is our logical way of thinking. And now I want to share with you 3 steps that will help you learn radical acceptance. Step number 1. We gotta understand that we can't change our past. If we cry, if we suffer, if we don't accept things as they are, things remain as they are. Our emotional reaction can't change anything, really. Think about it. You can cry a little if it makes you feel better, but you gotta understand that nothing changes when you cry. Step number 2. We gotta understand that our present situation is a result of past events, of our choices in the past, without criticizing ourselves. If you find yourself being in toxic, abusive relationships, it's because you let this person in your life and you didn't say goodbye when you needed to do it. And it's not a reason to criticize yourself, it's your life experience. It will help you in your future. Step number 3. The only one situation we have control over is our present moment. Again, we can't change our past, but today we can accept things as they are and start a new, happier life. And now you would ask me, but how can I implement these steps in my life? Easily. Every day try to accept anything that happened to you that day and start with smaller events. Don't start with trying to accept the end of the relationship with someone you loved. That will be impossible at first. Start with something like you missed the bus, or you got in traffic jam, or you went to grocery store but you forgot buying milk. In all these situations, try not to criticize yourself or other people. And 3 steps of radical acceptance that I give you in this video will help. Write them out on the paper and keep them in a place where you can see them often. It's really essential to make this exercise every day, because acceptance is a skill, like stretching. The more you practice it, the better result you'll get. And what do you think about radical acceptance? I would really love to read your comments, your opinions on this question. Give me thumbs up if this video was interesting for you and subscribe. Remember, everything will be okay. The entire universe loves you. You're not alone. See you in next videos. Bye!